Is this 300W universal phone screen glass separator the secret weapon for effortless phone repairs? We put it to the test to find out if it lives up to its revolutionary claims. This isn't just another heating pad. It boasts a unique reverse separation technology designed to drastically reduce the risk of damaging your phone screen during the delicate glass removal process. For anyone who's ever dreaded a cracked screen repair, this sounds like a dream come true, promising higher success rates for both DIYers and seasoned pros. One of the standout features is the visible separation process. You can actually watch as the screen is gently heated and separated, giving you incredible control and minimizing the chance of accidentally cutting the polarizer or causing further screen damage. This level of visibility is crucial for a clean and successful repair, making it a truly essential tool for effective screen restoration. The build quality here is impressive. It's constructed from a durable aluminum alloy, which not only feels robust, but also ensures consistent and reliable heating. The flexible platform is a nice touch, allowing you to position your device securely. And for those really stubborn repairs, there's an optional adhesive remover that can make the whole process even smoother. But what about performance? The rapid heating system is no joke. It gets up to temperature quickly, meaning less waiting around and a faster workflow. The constant temperature heating is key here, preventing overheating and potential damage. And the suction power is seriously strong. The dual suction cups on the base anchor it firmly to your desk, creating an ultra-stable work environment that's absolutely vital for precise glass removal. It really does feel rock solid. Overall, this 300W universal phone screen glass separator seems to be a well-engineered piece of equipment. It combines advanced technology with a user-friendly design and robust construction, making it a compelling option for anyone serious about mobile phone repair. It's a tool that offers both safety and efficiency, which is exactly what you want when dealing with delicate electronics.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.